Hi everybody, and welcome to the latest episode of How Do I? Tonight we're going to answer how do I send an email message yet have it be delayed until a later date. So right now it's 8 o'clock at night. I'm sending out messages. I don't want my employees to feel like they have to respond to me. And if I send a message that please do this ASAP, they're going to reply at night. We really strive to have a good work-life balance. So one of the things that I encourage people to do is to delay sending messages. So I don't want to have to remember to do this in the morning. I want to get this done. So I've gone ahead and already typed out, for example, I'm going to send this to my personal email account. Subject line, message goes here, please do this ASAP. But what's going to happen if I send this to one of my staff members, they're going to likely feel like they need to reply tonight. I don't want that to happen. So normal message, I just go to my options. If you remember, this is where we can encrypt from. But one of the other options is delay delivery. Click on delay delivery, brings up my delivery options. Do not deliver before. I'm going to say let's not deliver this before tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. Makes it simple. It'll go out in the morning. I'll even say 7:30. Go ahead and close it, and then send it. That'll queue up in my outbound messages until tomorrow morning at 7:30. Then it'll go ahead and send that message along. If you want to do this web-based, I'm going to create a new message. Let me get that over to this screen. New message, and I'm going to send that again to the same email. Subject line is I'm going to say, please do this ASAP. Now, if you get that message from your boss, obviously you're going to be thinking you need to do that right now. I don't want them doing that tonight. I want to do it tomorrow. Here's what needs to be done. Now, what I can do now is instead of hitting send, you'll notice I have a pull down here. I just simply hit the pull down, say send later. I'm going to say send it tomorrow, 8 a.m., send later. Bam, queued up, it's ready to go. That'll get sent out to whoever I'd sent it to. Tomorrow, that one was at 8 a.m. So again, simple way to do it, web-based, go into a new message. And then when you go to hit send, just make sure that you do the pull down, send later. If you're doing this in your Outlook desktop item, new message, and then go to options and choose delay delivery. Pick your time there. Hope that helps. If you have any questions you'd like to have answered, please get them to me. Thank you much.